So if you haven't seen my past video, you need to check out that video for the price and the RAM options. But here is more news. So we know almost everything about the upcoming flagship, the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now thanks to this leak, we can see the display specs from the marketing materials or whatever it is. The Ultra model will feature a 6.8-inch Quad HD Plus display, dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, whereas the S21 will feature a 6.1-inch Full HD Plus panel, but same dynamic AMOLED 2X panel. Now if you haven't seen the past leaks, then let me tell you, the Ultra model is the only one is rumored to feature a curvy panel, where the other two devices, the S22 Plus and the S22, the standard one, will feature flat panels. As for what is visibly new in the standard model's display is the chin, or should I say razor-thin bezels all around, which will be really interesting to look at according to past leaks. Now what's seemingly new is a super clear lens that will be on top of the 108 megapixel main camera of the S22 Ultra, which is probably why leaker Exynos claimed that it will be greatly improved iteration of the HM3 sensor. Now it will also feature deep AI implementation for crispy detailed photos of any 100 megapixel sensors we've seen till today. Now aside from the main camera, there will also be a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and two 10 megapixel telephoto sensors, one with 10x zoom and one with 3x zoom capabilities. The front camera is going to be a 40 megapixel, sitting inside this small little punch hole. Also, this leak is kind of confirming the color options, or should I say clearing all the doubts regarding the color options of both the devices at once. The S22 Ultra model will feature the burgundy red, so no deep red kind of color, it's burgundy red, as well as phantom black, phantom white and green. I love the green. The spec sheet is appeared to be the European variant, and that's the reason we can see the processor. It's the unannounced 4nm Exynos 2200 with AMD GPU. The US and the Chinese variant will likely be powered by the recently announced mighty Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. That's a big name, but that's also a beastly performer as well. Now, reliable leaker Exynos also claimed that the S22 Ultra will come with an 8GB model as well. That would be a little bit odd. You need to check out my recent video for that. Now, in this leak, we can't see a 16GB RAM variant, mostly because it will be paired with the 1TB storage option that is also not present in this leak. So maybe that variant isn't coming to Europe at all. The Galaxy S22 Ultra will pack a beefy 5000 mAh battery cell, will also feature built-in S Pen slot, we've seen it, and the standard model will not feature S Pen support and not at all an S Pen slot, and will come with a small 3700 mAh battery inside. That's kind of disappointing. Now in terms of charging speed, Samsung in particular has gone back and forth between the 25 watt and 45 watt fast charging with their past models. The Galaxy Note 10 Plus and the S20 Ultra featured the 45 watt fast charging, which wasn't any more different from the 25 watt one, so it was kind of like a disappointing one. Now the Galaxy S22 Ultra will be bringing back the same charging capabilities, maybe this time a properly better one. Now the leaker has published an image of the 45 watt PD chargers box with the model number T4510. Rumors are saying this will be able to charge the Galaxy S22 Ultra and the S22 Plus from 0 to 70 for as little as 30 minutes, which would be enough fast for most of the people. Now I know it's not going to be as fast as Xiaomi's 125 watt one, but still it will be an improvement nonetheless. But keep this in mind, no charges in the box is a thing as well. And yeah, if you are interested in my wallpapers, then check out my website. And yeah, check out my website on your computer, tablet or your phone. joindavid.com, link down below. It's for everything tech. You're gonna get all these and more tech news way faster than these videos. These videos take a lot more time and effort to create. So subscribe this channel and like this video, as I appreciate that, and definitely visit my website.